Today, we're unboxing my new Delta table saw. That's what's up next on Crickin' Around. Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, we're unboxing my new Delta table saw. I've been looking at this saw for quite a while, and in all honesty, I didn't have no intention of buying it just yet, but the motor on my old Craftsman, I was mid-cut and the motor went out on me. It's an older table saw, so I'm not going to put the money into a new motor when I can buy a new table saw and get a lot more benefit out of it with more features. My old Craftsman, I hated the fence on it. It wasn't accurate. It was a pain to adjust. So it went out on me, and today we went and we picked up the new Delta 36-725 T2. I've done a lot of research on this saw, and at the point in my woodworking, it's perfect for me. Now it ain't no saw stop or nothing like that, but for the price I paid for this is going to serve me great. So let's go over some specs real quick, and then we'll get to the unboxing. So what we got here is, like I said, the Delta. We got a 10-inch blade, 30 inches to the right of the blade cut capacity, 15 inches to the left, dado up to 13/16, cut capacity, 3 1/8 inch at 90 degrees, 2 1/4 at 45, and 3,600 RPM. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing and the setup. So per the instructions, we gotta slide this in here. They come with all your bolts. They come in bags. Like this one's tagged A, it tells you A for the legs. So we're gonna be using this one for the legs. And it comes with this little L bracket. Set it on top of there. Make sure you get everything lined up where it's supposed to be. On the back side, you got screws going to bolt right into the frame. So I got the wings slid in there. This is attached with the supplied bolts. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our level, and we're going to try to get these wings lined up the best we can. For now, I got future plans that ain't don't involve his wings. Now we're going to put on the front guides. And then there's two more holes down here on this end. We're going to take the power switch and it's going to go through your guide. So here's the big moment. Got everything together. Let's see if she starts. Nice. And how quiet that is crazy because my Craftsman was never even close to that quiet. That is not even a comparison to my Craftsman. So that wraps up the unboxing and setup of the Delta. Just by them first couple cuts, yeah, it's no comparison to my old Craftsman. Definitely going to be a well-added piece of machinery to the shop. You'll see it in used more in my video for building my desk, because in that video is actually when my other one quit mid-cut. So I'll finish that project with this saw. So you'll get to see it in action. Then I'll talk a little more about it. Other than that, I am very impressed, and I think this is going to be a great saw for a really long time. If you guys like what you're seeing, how about you hit that like, subscribe, share button? It really helped me and the channel out. So, happy wood cutting. Until next time.